Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. And look at this beautiful new arrival, 2017 Mercedes GLE 350, 69,000 miles, black on black, luxury, full-size SUV. This one is all-wheel drive for Matic. Nice and clean, great condition. Have a very nice look with this nice running boards, xenon lights, chrome grille, nice rims, tires probably 80%, brand new brakes, fresh oil change. Let's peek inside. Power windows, power locks, nice wood trim, driver seat looking good. This is gonna be passenger seat, looking good as well. This one is fully loaded with navigation, with backup camera, 360. Everything is in working condition. 69,000 miles, Bluetooth, premium sound, blind spot monitor, let's look on there is a climate control for the rear seats as well, just came from the detail shop, clear headliner, power lift gate, all the floor mats originals are here, nice cover. I mean, beautiful, nice luxury SUV. If you guys in the market for one, this is gonna be a good choice. Gonna show you engine. All our cars been inspected, fresh oil change, make sure they are safe and ready to go. V6 engine, no rust. So if you guys looking for, again, nice luxury SUV, check us out, carcitychicago.com. Very well maintained, nice looking, all-wheel drive. We service these cars as well, so if you guys gonna buy it, you can bring it for the oil changes, for the brake jobs, suspensions. So Car City gonna have Car City auto service now, which is always good for our customers, for us, so we can keep our relationship together and provide the best customer service ever. Thank you for watching this video, and as usual, have a good day.